Good morning. Welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. Welcome to my craft room, guys. So, it is a little messy in here. I need to bring a vacuum down and kind of clean up all the threads, I think, that are on the rug here. Anyway, so I have some exciting things to share with you today. I'm really excited about some of these. So the first one that I'm going to show you is I've shown you the little dress before, but I added something to it. So I added this little fabric flower that I made and put a little black and white polka dot button on it, and I think it just makes it look so adorable. It just adds so much more to it. So there is that one. I also was able to get the disappearing 9-patch quilt done. Yay! It's all bound. It has a label. It has binding on it. And Thursday's video is about this quilt and binding it. And I showed you how I used a little different technique with binding it this time, and also using the binding baby. So you'll want to check that out. It's already ready to go. So it'll be up bright and early in the morning for you on Thursday. So no waiting. All right. So here it is. It's been bound, or has the binding on it. This is what it looks like from the front. Maybe it's a little bit better angle there. So, and I did this really neat little zigzagged decorative stitch on it, and I used my my ditch foot. So I just went along the edge and it just put it on there perfectly. So I'm very happy with the way this turned out. I also washed this quilt twice, and I would explain that in the video for Thursday, but I'll just let you know about it now. I put this quilt in the wash, and I used 2 color catchers on the first wash, and then when I pulled it out, there was still quite a bit of color. So I threw it in again, and then put another color catcher in there, and that seemed to do the trick. And then I was able to dry it, and it's perfect. And it has all that, it's got that really cool quilt look to it now. So there is that. I have also gotten some new dies for my Quilt Go. I'm just going to show you a few. I'm not going to show you all of them because, well, that would take forever. But they had a sale, and so, and this is not paid advertisement for them. I own one and I love it. So I just want to show you some of the dies that I got, because I have a project in mind that we will be doing, and it'll be for Christmas. It will be a table runner, and it'll be easy. So if you don't have an quilt, you will be able to still make it. Just some cutting mats. And then I have a big strip mat in here. And then this is the Christmas one. I just think this would make a really cute quilt, or even like a tree skirt. Got this because I just think these are cute. And what's really cool is it comes with embroidery files, and they're free, and you can set it up so that you can stitch out the embroidery on your fabric. Got this cute little dog, and these bows. And this is the project that I have in mind. So it actually is that. They're little Christmas presents, and I think they are adorable. So that is what I want to make and show you guys how to do it. So, but it's July, so that'll have to be a little bit later. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip the camera, and I'm going to show you the latest quilt that I have made. But I want to give you a little bit of background on it. So I love stars. Oh, what is it? The Ohio quilt star, whatnot. I've never made a star block ever in my whole life. And so I was watching Missouri Star Quilt Company the other day, and I saw this beautiful baby quilt, and I was like, I have to make this quilt. And I did. And it was so fast and so easy. It only took me like 2 hours to piece the whole thing. And so I'm really excited to show you this. It turned out amazing, and it is a gift. It goes with the Minnie Mouse dress. So I'm going to go ahead and stop ranting. Okay, here is the little quilt. And I made that star, which I'm so excited about. It turned out so adorable. And I'm going to walk in a little closer so you can see. And I just used that fabric that I had left over to do this. And then on the backing, I used big black and white polka dots. And I'm thinking I'm going to quilt this maybe in circles, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe in the center there'll be circles, and then I'll just outline the triangles. I haven't decided yet. So when I figure it out, I'll show it to you, which will probably be on next week's Sewing Talk Tuesday. So anyway, so that's all that I have for this week. I feel like I've done a lot this week, so that's a good thing. Feeling accomplished. Like some of these projects are finally getting done and getting out of my craft room, and now I'm ready to move on to some other things. So that's my plan. I'm actually hoping that maybe this weekend I'll be able to do a little more scrap busting as well, just so I can get all those scraps organized and then move on. I have enough fabric in my little fabric bins that I can actually start working on some dog beds for a dog shelter. So I'll probably do that as well. So that is all that I have for this week, and I hope you enjoyed it. I always love talking to you guys on Tuesdays. One of these days I'll have to do a live, because I think that would be really fun, and then you could ask me your questions. But anyway, oh, I know what I wanted to mention also. Are you guys doing Amazon Prime Day? Because I got on there yesterday and I got some pretty awesome stuff. I actually was able to get one of those Roomba, the little iRobot Roomba vacuums. And I've been wanting one of those for a really long time. They had them for $150. So I got one of those. And then I got a home security system. And so I'm really excited about that too. And then I got some new watch bands. So you'll see those in probably my upcoming videos. What else did I get? Oh, my husband got, he got a case for his iPad. He's been wanting one for a long time. He was finally able to get it. And I'm thinking that's all I got. But it is Amazon Prime Day, so if there's anything that you want to get, it ends today. I would highly suggest heading over there and just taking a peek and seeing things that you would like. And if you have seen anything in my craft room that you like, that I use, like my iron or rulers or whatnot, if you go to the links down below in the description box and click on those. I don't know if they're on sale or not. You would have to look around, but they might be. So just check it out. And if you do use any of the links that are below, I am an affiliate. So I do get just a little small commission, not very much. But anything and everything helps. So it just helps me to keep this channel going and the projects. So that's it for Sewing Talk Tuesday today. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. If you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down in the description box. Like I stated earlier, if you would like to purchase any of the things that you have seen here, those links are also down in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep on crafting. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye-bye.